Hello dear children. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. In today's class, we are going to understand first lesson, Health is Happiness. First lesson, Health is Happiness.
H E A L T H Health. I S Ease. H A P P I N E S S. Happiness. Health is happiness.
Do you know children what is health? Health means free from illness. What is health? Health is free from illness. If we have good health, we can always feel happy. So, health is happiness. Dear children, now I am going to show you two pictures. You have to tell me which picture you like the most. First one. Now tell me which picture do you like? First one or second one?
First one.
Why?
In the first picture, the boy is healthy.
Very good. Now look at this picture. Which picture do you like? First one or second one?
Second one.
Why?
In the second picture, the girl is healthy.
Very good. So, what do you want to say now?
Health is happiness.
Dear children, now please open your English textbook. Page number 1. Name of the lesson is Health is Happiness. Let us begin. Look at the pictures and read the words given. Now look at these pictures and tell me what is it. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
First one.
Grapes.
Second one.
Carrot.
Third one.
Fish.
Fourth one.
Bananas.
Fifth one.
Coffee.
Sixth one.
Juice.
Seventh one.
Potatoes.
Very good. Here we have grapes, carrots, fish, bananas, coffee, juice, potatoes. Now we have to separate it as fruits, vegetables, drinks, meat. Look at your textbook, children. B. Write the words under the correct headings given below. First one, fruits. Now tell me, children, how many fruits can you see in this picture?
2. Grapes and bananas.
Okay, very good. Second one, vegetables. Now tell me children, how many vegetables can you see in this picture?
2. Carrots, potatoes.
Yes. Third one, drinks. Now tell me, how many drinks can you see in this picture?
2. Coffee, juice.
Yes, very good. Last one, meat. Can you see meat in this picture?
Yes, fish.
Well done, dear children. Fruits, grapes, bananas. Vegetables, carrots, potatoes. Drinks, coffee, juice. Meat, fish. Now turn your page. See. Do you know any other fruits, vegetables, drinks or meat? Name them. Children, can you name some other fruits?
Apple, mango, jackfruit, chickoo.
Can you name some vegetables?
Pumpkin, tomato, lady's finger, onion.
Can you name some drinks?
Tea, Horlicks, milk.
Can you name some meat?
Chicken, mutton, pork, fish.
Well done, dear children. Now look at next one. D. Pair work. Make a list of vegetables you and your friend eat at home. The list can be in Kannada or in your mother tongue. Try to find out English names for these vegetables. Dear children, this is your home assignment. You have to make a list of vegetables you and your friend eat at home. Dear children, now I am going to end up this class. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.